is music.
Hey family, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, y'all. It is Vlogmas day 5, and today I'm showing you guys how I tame my toddler's hair. Show y'all how I do her a nice little protective style for the week, so that I don't have to really manipulate it for school days. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this hair situation. Let me know down below if you guys like this hairstyle. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. And I will see each and every one of y'all in my next one. Say peace out. Mommy, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. All right, talk to y'all later.